You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, this phrase from Spanish. Dulce. So you're going to have two different pronunciations in Spanish. In Spanish from Spain, central Spain, it's pronounced dulce, with a C pronounced like TH, dulce vida. Now in other Spanish-speaking countries, like in Latin America, it's pronounced as dulce, dulce vida. Dulce vida meaning sweet life. In Spanish pronunciation, dulce vida or dulce vida. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.